Hi Dan, welcome to Colwyn Bay.
Thank you.
You've come from Wrexham.
Yeah.
What are your experiences there? It must be, you've had a heck of a season, I suppose.
Oh, it was a great season, as you know. It was a bit of a hectic one with everything going on. Promotion was amazing. Great group of lads, and really enjoyed it, to be fair.
Yeah, and you've just been on the tour of America, haven't you?
Yeah.
Was that good?
Yeah, great. Yeah, great experience. Again, the fans out there are amazing. So.
Yeah, they've just gone massive, haven't they, Wrexham? I mean, they're an international club now, really, and fans everywhere. So it must have been great to get out there and see it all firsthand. Yeah. So you're a striker.
Striker, well, very versatile player, so I can play on the right as well.
Ah, right, okay.
Yeah.
And what sort of player are you?
Well, I'm I'd like to call myself a quick, tricky winger, so I like to get at players and delivery into the box.
That's good.
Yeah.
And what sort of goals do you score? Are you like cutting into the box?
I like to cut into the box, or I like to beat my man down the outside, and
Oh, that sounds good.
Yeah.
Have you had any experience of playing in the Welsh system before?
No, I haven't, no. So I'm really looking forward to my first season in it, yeah.
And have you played with any of our squad before?
No, but I've heard a great deal about them.
Yeah.
And I've been keeping an eye on the signings.
Right.
Yeah.
That's good. Should be a great season this season. Got a few new players in, and most of the squad we've kept from last year, so it should be good.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it.
Finally, have you got a message for the Bay fans?
So I'm really looking forward to my first season playing for Colwyn Bay. I'll do my best to contribute as much as I can, and hopefully we can do really well.
That's great. Thanks very much, Dan. Appreciate that, and good luck for the season.
Thanks very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers.